everybody! And this vlog is a very, very special vlog because, AD, what weekend is it?
My birthday weekend!
Yeah, and how old are you going to be?
8.
And how many more sleeps?
1.
Yeah!
I'm even wearing my birthday crown even though it's not my birthday.
Yep, she is super, super, super excited, and we are going on a little trip for her, which is her main birthday present, which she doesn't completely know. She has guessed it a few times, but she doesn't actually know what we're doing. So I'm not telling you. But yeah, so
Why are so many people poor?
What do you mean? So
There's all of the houses here, they're nearly broken to shreds.
Oh, that doesn't necessarily mean they're poor. It just means that people don't upkeep them, honey. See, look, these houses aren't. These houses are all good. But yes. So yeah, we are.
Ice cream fans.
AD, can I finish doing this, honey? I know it's your birthday weekend. You're all excited. Yeah, she's got her old camera. We found it and put new batteries in it so she can take photos and things for herself all of this trip. And then I'm vlogging this so that we can actually try and remember it. Elena's asleep behind me. The twins are asleep in their seats. And we aren't actually that far. Yeah, she's bored of the car ride already. Well,
and
tough.
Also nearly travels.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Because of those dumb hills. When it went by, that's when they started.
In all fairness, they're having quite a few hills that really turn my stomach as well. So yeah, but we're on a flat bit now, so quit complaining. But yeah, here is our lovely driver, being very unsafe.
Daddy.
But yeah, so let's come along on this trip with us, and yeah, and come and see some beautiful countryside and some beautiful scenery, and yeah. Oh, bless her. Give me a wave, guys. The twins will be getting jackets as well. We've just got the big two sorted as well, and then Glenn is sorting our things out because that's our nice boat. They are. Yeah, so we are gonna go. Are we all excited for a boat trip?
Yeah! This is my biggest.
Pardon?
Biggest.
No.
This is how happy so.
Can you not? Oh, that's not. It's her foot. Over there. You two in your little life jackets. Say hi. Wobble wobble. Oh, would you look at you two? Give away. Oh, monkey. Are you helping Daddy steer? Oh, you hurt your eye. Oh, baby. Miss Aria? Miss Aria? It's a bloody good job we've stopped, isn't it? Miss Aria! Because we were reversing so that we could park. So Daddy had to come grab the railing, the rope even.
But I thought we were sinking.
Oh, we're not sinking down, you plant.
That's kind of thing.
Only if they get a hole in them. So yeah, we stopped. We've got somewhere that, well, in all fairness, we got here a lot faster than I actually thought that we were going to at all, going along the river. So, Aria, sorry. This one. No climbing up. Oh, that's so pretty. The girls are making bracelets and things as well. So they're having fun doing that. Oh, yeah. And Adie's having so much fun making hers. She's making a nice little pattern out of it.
I'm making my ones for my BFF.
Yeah, you're making them for your friends, aren't you?
Yeah.
And then, yeah. So we got here really, really fast. However, because I thought we'd spend most of the time on the boat, I actually didn't bring the stroller. It's in the car, but obviously the car is now miles away. So, yeah, we've still got like a good hour and a half until dinner. This is going to be fun. Oh, well. I guess Mummy's arms will get a workout and, yeah, Mummy and Daddy will just take turns swapping twins. Dad's gone for a walkabout, actually, so... Oh, hold on, honey. It's a bit tricky, is it? Okay.
It's a bit angry.
It's a bit angry. All right, so Alyssa, they're both trying to escape. So, right, yeah, just wait for Glenn to come back now and see what's about. Is that yummy? Daddy got chocolate brownie. Is that yummy? No, well, you just did. Have you been shopping? Is that yummy ice cream? Have you got fruit? You got your fruit? Yeah? I got apple crumble. Nom.
Hi.
Hiya. There she is. You having fun? Are you climbing? Lissy. Sorry that the lighting is absolutely terrible, but there is an Elena hiding in there. Laney, wave. Oh, is there an Elena? There she is. Laney, say night-night, everybody.
Night, everybody.
You looking forward to sleeping on a boat? Yeah? Oh, she's hiding. The hearts have gone.
I like it. Peekaboo.
All right.
The
What
next
day is
day's
it
gonna
tomorrow?
It's going to be my birthday. And also...
The twins are asleep. Shush, shush, shush.
Tell us a bedtime story.
Yeah,
She's
so...
going to tell us a one about a boat ship.
Come on then. And then as she just said, Daddy is curling up and they are going to have a night bedtime story.
We need a book.
No, he doesn't. Imagination, baby.
And it's going to be one about boats.
So, yes, we are going to end night one on our boat today. In our heads, honey. With all of us curled up in our pyjamas, doing things together.
Can I show you my pajamas?
in the morning. All right, she wants to quickly. They say best day ever, and she loves them. So yes, this was night 1 on a boat, even though we didn't do much today. But yeah, so yeah.
All we did was boat around.
You boat around. That's all you do on a boat, though. It's like a wind in the willows, just messing about on boats.
But I thought you boat to somewhere.
Well, we did. We boated to here. So yeah, and we're rambling now. So thank you guys so much for watching. And
Daddy's bedtime story.
Tomorrow's another day.
Tomorrow's my birthday, not another day.
I got told.